How to revise for strong verbs. So, forms of the verb to be often get overused and it makes your writing sound weak and even boring. So, what you're going to do for this activity is you're going to revise the sentences to avoid using that verb to be. So, for example, Grendel is impulsive like any other villain. What you need to do is instead of saying Grendel is impulsive, how else would you say that? So if you think about it, Grendel, like other villains, tends to act impulsively. So now we're saying the same thing here, but we're avoiding the word is. And then if we look at this next example, the strength that Beowulf has is greater than most men. Okay, so how can we avoid using the word is in this sentence? Ah, sorry. So possessing an impressive amount of strength, Beowulf's abilities exceed those of most men. So now we're saying the same thing. We're using the stronger verbs that give more emphasis to your writing and brings variety to it. So what you'll need to do here is you're going to need to revise these verbs. And there's no one right way to do it. You just want to avoid using the word is when you or was when creating your writing. So you would look at this sentence. He was so brave that he chose to face Grendel in a fair and honest way. Okay, so think about how you could revise that sentence so you could avoid using the word was. Okay, the next sentence is Beowulf is described as being in his prime and overall just being the strongest around. All right, so how would we fix the weak verbs here? How would we get rid of the word is? And finally, Thor is considered an extremely powerful god. All right, so you would want to, again, omit the word is and revise it so it makes sense, but you're not using that to be verb. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.